1 Minute Skatepark guide, and I use that term very, very loosely. Green garden or something like that, and we're out near Tarneit. This is probably one of the worst skate parks I've been to. It's got these coping ledges which sound great, they sound amazing, but they're actually built so badly that you can barely skate them. Only one is skatable, and that's debatable whether it's skatable or not. The coping is sunk so bad that you're just ready to dig up, get wheel bite, and smash your teeth. There's a few ledges, but the problem is they go down too low, so you can't really grind them for very long. It's just a tiny grind. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the coping angles down that way, so you just fall off. It's the worst, and you just grip up on the concrete. You can see all the black from my skates because that's the only bit that's hitting. It's awful. This bit here also is wider than that. It's a terrible job. And the gaps, there's a big gap in the coping. Look at this. It's impossible to grind. It doesn't stick up far enough. It's like really, really bad. Now that one over there is the only one that is possible. So let's do that one. You can play around, have a bit of fun here, you know, get creative. That's probably the only option. You have to get very, very creative to even do anything here. So I give this skate park only half a warm VB that's been left out in the middle of the park. But, you know, if you're a beginner and you're, you know, on a want to learn how to skateboard or rollerblade or scooter for the first time, this might be the right place for you. So enjoy. Hả?